Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're just going to see about a wonderful Android launcher setup like this. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. So download the Nextron Launcher 2026 Scientific from the Play Store first. And here you can find a super ZD themed technology-based launcher. You can find a tech theme on your home screen, which followed by a calendar, weather widget, and also the clock. You can find an application or everything is in the dish theme. You can just change the theme color while just going inside the setting. In the second page, you can find the music player followed by the themed icon packs. So this is a super exciting theme, simple and minimal theme. And go to the setting, go to the theme section and just swipe down. Here you just need to select the theme number 12 as I just talking about. Click on the apply theme option so you can get the exact theme setup on your mobile phone. These are the app drawer. You can just swipe to access the app drawer. These are the widgets. You can just place it on your home screen, and you can just change the color going inside the setting option. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with your super valuable new Android launcher review. And this is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day ever.